Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTR 3 Pro Limited Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install applications on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the ZEP application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the ZEP application. Actually, let me reopen it like this. Open the ZEP application on the phone that is paired with our watch, and once you open it, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon, select your AMAZFIT GTR 3 from the list, and on this page find the option called App Store. Once you find it, tap on it, and here we have the App Store. You have different categories of apps and list of them basically. Now find the app you would like to install on your watch, tap on it, then tap on the install button. And after a while the app should be done installing. You can check by tapping on mine right here at the top, and you will see the list of applications installed on your watch. And if you wake up the screen on your watch, press the upper button to open the app menu. You will see that the app appeared right here on the list. And of course you can install multiple applications if you want to. Okay, and they will appear right here on the list and on this as well. And that's how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.